Hi everybody, welcome to my video. I'm Anthony. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my blog. My blog will probably be ready tomorrow on how to do a video display capture on this device, on your laptop or your computer, your PC. This software Open Broadcaster is available for your laptop and computer and PC only. The mobile app doesn't. I don't think it has a mobile app to do that. But basically, you can use it to do video tutorials, to do presentations, whatever you want presentation want to do. So I will just start with a file will be very useful. Okay, I shall start with the tutorial. It's very easy to do. So this you see the display capture here, right? Basically, before you even start to do it, because I already created a scene with the display capture. So basically, you're seeing you're seeing this, but by right, when you just first install the software, you won't see the scene. So you have to plus and type scene 2, but you're not going to do that. If you do that, it will be a blank screen. So I tried it before, you cannot do it with a scene 2. So after you create the scene, you click OK. As example, you plus it, you click OK. Then there will be you can actually add the sources. So go to there's the scenes and the sources. So you have a plus. You click a plus here and go to your display capture. Click the display capture. Name it okay, then you can just they'll ask you for capture and the method and the display. So of course I don't know why the display is that. Maybe the camera is maybe the resolution of my desktop is just this, so that's why it's 1280 times 720. Just click OK, and then you can have your display capture right here. Then after you display capture, how are you going to capture it? You just click start recording. Now because I'm recording using the OBS, so you will I will click stop to stop this recording. So the start stop is here just below the start streaming. So thanks for really watching my video all the way to now. So I will actually create some other videos on start streaming and other settings. I'll try to play around with the settings and let you know what is it. Okay. And one more thing, one last thing before I want to end this video. I want to share with you how to delete this if you have a problem. Just click you see this this trash icon. You just click trash and you click yes, remove display 2. Because now I'm using display 1, so you're showing this. So I thank you for watching. Take care and all the best to you. Bye bye.